Hello, I'm Bill with York Repair in Bay City, Michigan, and we're discussing monitors today. This is a glass tube monitor, standard of the industry for the last probably 40 years. Problems are they are high in energy consumption, and because of their age, the reliability is dropping off and the availability of parts is getting harder and harder to come by. Our solution is to go with the LCD conversion. It uses new technology. You use your original case. Everything else is replaced with new, the display and the power supply. And because we use your old case, you can slide it into your existing equipment and plug it in to go with no other modifications required to your equipment.